welcome you all to the EVS class. Can you remember what we have learned in the last class? We are learning about our neighborhood and people in our neighborhood. Can you remember? Yes. Near our home, what are the things we see? What are the people we meet? And what they do? In which way they help them? How we depend on them for our needs? These are all the things we are seeing in last class. Come on, let's revise what we have learned in our last class. The first thing in our neighborhood is park. Park is a place where there are many trees and plants. Can you remember? Can you remember the beautiful parks we have seen? This looks like children parks, right? It has swings, etc. The next thing is market. Yesterday we have seen two things. That is, one is park, another one is market. Market has many shops. Market is a combination of many shops. Many shops together called market. Now we can see what are all the shops available in market. Grocery shop. What is grocery shop? Grocery shop sells food and vegetables, etc. for our daily needs. What we need daily. For example, soap, shampoo, fruits, rice, pulses, sugar, etc. Looks like a grocery shop, right? It contains our daily needs, that is fruits and vegetables. Next is chemist shop. It is the important shop where we can buy medicines. Next one is stationery shop. Stationery shop sells stationery items. See some examples of stationery items. Pencil, eraser, sharpener, pen, notebook, etc. The shop which sells the stationery items are called stationery shops. This is a stationery shop. Then greengrocer. Who is greengrocer? Greengrocer sells fruits and vegetables. Can you remember? Next is milk booth. Milk booth sells milk and milk products. The one who sells milk at our door, that is the man who sells the milk in our doorstep is called milkman. Person who delivers milk to our house is called a milkman. Can you remember? This is a milk booth. Today, the next neighborhood is school. Can you remember this place? Have you ever seen this place? It is our school, right? Can you find? This is our school. Many of our houses we have schools nearby. What we do in the school? We learn, we play, etc. Who will teach you in the school? Teacher, right? So in the school, we can play and learn, and teacher will teach us the lessons. Can you understand? And the next neighborhood is post office. How many of you know post office? How many of you have visited post office? What we will do in the post office? We will send the letters, like we use letters like inline letters, etc. to write something so that we can convey the information to one another. We can send letters to people far from us. Then also we can receive the letters sent to us by someone from far places. A person who delivers the letters to our home is called postman. Have you ever seen postman? What he will do? He will bring letters to our home, right? So in post office, we can buy stamps, inland letters, etc. And we can write something or convey our messages in the card, and we have to post it in the post box so that it can reach the person to whom we are writing the letter. And we can receive. If somebody is writing some letters for us, we can receive it from our home. The man who delivers the letters is called postman. Can you understand? The next one is police station. How many of you have seen police station? How many of you like police? How many of you have the ambition to become a police officer? How many of you will fear by seeing the police? Yeah, we know, right? Police station, we have seen. Now, for what we use this police station? Anybody know? For what we are using police station? Yes, when some crime occurs, to complain against that crime, we will approach police station, right? When somebody attack us or somebody stole from us something, so that time we can approach police station to complain against this crimes. For that, police station is used. The next one is hospital. How many of you have hospital near your home? This is very important and necessary for us. How many of you have hospitals near your home? We will have hospitals, clinics near our home. In hospital, who will treat us? Doctors. If we have some serious illness, we will admit in the hospital and their nurses will be there. They will take care of us. You all know, right? This is one of the important thing in our neighborhood. Now, some neighborhood places or buildings we have learned and how it is helpful for us we have learned. Now, some people helping us other than our family members we can learn. Okay? We are going to learn some new words. Listen it carefully. First one is butcher. Who is this butcher? Spell the word butcher. B-U-T-C-H-E-R. He is the person who sells meat. Usually Sundays we will take meat, right? The person who sells meat is called butcher. Once again, B-U-T-C-H-E-R. Butcher. The next person is, can you find who is he? Can you find? He is a cobbler. Who is cobbler? Those who repairs the damaged shoes are called cobblers. Cobbler spell the word cobbler. C-O-B-B-L-E-R. Cobbler. One who repairs the damaged shoe is called cobbler. C-O-B-B-L-E-R. Cobbler. Can you understand? The next one is plumber. Who is plumber? Yeah. We have plumbing in our home, right? For what we do plumbing? To supply water to our house. That is, kitchen we need water, In toilets we need water. To wash hand we need water. We need water in our home, and to supply this water from our water tank to the entire house, we do plumbing. So, the one who deals with that work is called plumber. Spell the word plumber. P-L-U-M-B-E-R. Plumber. Do you understand? The next one is carpenter. Carpenter. By seeing the image, can you find who is a carpenter? Yeah, the one who do some work, some art or useful work with wood is called carpenter. Now, what are the items you use in your home? Using wood. Chair we use, tables we use, door, in windows, etc. we use wood, right? The one who makes that wood furnitures, arts, etc. are called carpenter. Spell the word carpenter. C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R. Carpenter. Once again, the person who works with wood is called carpenter. Spell the word carpenter. C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R. Carpenter. The next one is mason. How many of you know this mason? By seeing the image, can you find who is a mason? Yeah, the one who builds some building is called mason. Spell the word mason. M-A-S-O-N. The person, one who builds some buildings or houses is called mason. The next one is firefighter. The last one is firefighter. In our schools, if we meet some fire accidents, what we will do? We will try to off that fire, right? The person, one who helps to off the fire when we meet with fire accident is called firefighter. Can you find what is this? Have you ever seen this vehicle? It's a fire engine, right? Fire engine. Using this vehicle only, using this engine, they will off the fire. Who will off? Firefighter. Spell the word firefighter. F-I-R-E-F-I-G-H-T-E-R. Firefighter. Now in today's class, we have learned about our neighborhood. Now I will ask you some questions. How many of you like school? How many of you like being in school? How many of you like your classrooms? How many of you like your friends, teachers, the school van, uniform? You all like, right? While we come to school, we can meet our friends, we can learn, we can play, etc. So, in the next class, we can learn about our school. This class we have learned about our neighborhood, and in the next class, we can learn about my school. You are going to learn about my school. We will meet in the next class. Thank you, students.